Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about root chakra. This chakra is very important. Although all 7 chakras are very important, but the lower 3 chakras, root chakra, sacral chakra and solar plexus chakra are very important in this journey, and all these 3 chakras are related to our material world, our 3D world. So if you want a good life on this earth, so you have to activate and balance these 3 lower chakras. So today I am taking the topic of root chakra. Today I will discuss how we will know my root chakra is not balanced or activated, or it is underactivated, or in some cases the root chakra is overactivated. Then how to heal this root chakra? All these things I am going to tell you, and even I am going to tell you how you will come to know that my chakras are balanced. So let's begin the video. Friend, the root chakra is of red color, got me? And it is made of 4 petals in red, and it is located at the base of our spine. Everyone knows where is the base of our spine. So it is located over there with 4 petals, and whenever we visualize the root chakra, we visualize it in 4 petals, which is in a circle. You can see in the video itself how the root chakra is made. So let's see what are the problems, or what are the problems which show that the root chakra is not activated or balanced. The first point, friend, that you feel very lazy and lethargic at times. Many times you feel lethargic only. You feel loneliness. You feel aloofness. You don't feel like mixing or gelling up with people or social gathering. You are not having any income. Second point, or your income is not as per the desire, or you don't have a job, or a job is not as per your desire. You can say that the financial stability is not there. Then this is also indication that your root chakra is completely blocked or underactivated, because financial stability is located in our root chakra only. If you want to increase your income, or if you want to start your income, or you want to get a promotion or something like that, the root chakra needs to be activated. Third point, friends, you feel insecure at all the time. You feel that your person will leave you and they will go away. This kind of insecurity is always there. Some kind of insecurity is always there with you, either with money or with your relationships. Anything which is very dear to you, you feel that this person or this thing will go away from me. This kind of insecurity always have. You have instability in life. You are not stable. You have panic attacks many times. And you desire a lot. You have a lot of desires, but you don't have motivation to achieve those desires. You don't have clear thoughts. You are very short tempered. Those whose root chakra is not activated, they are very short tempered. They get hot very fast. You can say that. Even the smallest thing will make them angry very fast. Anger is the biggest problem whose root chakra is completely unactivated or underactivated. You avoid social gatherings, that I have told only. Social gatherings, don't like mixing up with people. You feel jealous a lot. Even when you see some people's little bit of success, also you start feeling jealous. This is also the problem of root chakra being underactivated. Now I will tell you some physical problems or physical things that will tell you that your root chakra is not activated or is not balanced. Not necessarily all problems. You can have one or more. You can have these physical symptoms, like you can have kidney problems, you can have a bladder problem, or some people can have piles problem. Some can have constipation problem also. This is the biggest problem I have seen. Most of the people who are having root chakra problem, they have constipation problem or piles problem. Some people have cramps in their lower back or on their root chakra. Many people have pains. Some people can have prostate problem. Some people can have muscle pain problem. And the biggest problem is some people can go into depression, complete depression, if your root chakra is completely blocked, then these people can go into depression. All these are symptoms that your root chakra is completely underactivated or not balanced. So you can identify with so many points I have told you whether your root chakra is underactivated or not balanced, and you have to work on this. In some cases, friends, majorly in masculines, the runner who is a runner, in them the root chakra is overactivated. Yeah, it is true. Their root chakra basically all three chakras in the lower, all three chakras on the lower side are overactivated only. Like they are overly ambitious. These masculines and these runners are overly ambitious, overly materialistic. They desire too much. Got me? They focus more on earning money. They are over traveling. They travel a lot, and they are always after something or the other. They are over motivated. You can say, I want this also. I want that also. They are running continuously, chasing. You can say materialistic things. These are the overactivation symptoms of a runner, or you can say root chakra. When a root chakra is overactivated, you can see in most of the cases, your person who is running from you, they will have this kind of traits. So now see, friends, how you can balance your root chakra. I am telling you the ways you can balance your root chakra. It's very, very important to balance your root chakra. So chant Bij mantra, Lam. This is the most important, you can say, in which way you can activate your root chakra. You can take one chakra at a time and work for 1 month or 2 months continuously, unless and until your root chakra is activated. Second thing, friend, you can do morning and evening walking on the ground, in your ground or on the earth, without your shoes or chappals. Got me? You have to walk barefoot maximum amount of time, 10, 15, 20, at least 20 to 30 minutes you have to walk barefoot, you can say. This will also help in activating your root chakra. You can even walk on the green grass, that will also help activating your root chakra. You can do gardening work, connecting anything to earth. You can water trees and plants every day, or you're planting trees, or you're planting plants also. That will also activate your root chakra. Anything related to the ground or sand, anything related to the work of ground you're doing, that will help activate your root chakra. And friends, most important, don't keep too much expectation if you want to activate your root chakra. You have to work on this issue, because you are having so much expectation and desire. Unless and until your root chakra is completely activated, your expectations and desires are not going to go. So you have to work on this a lot. Eat more fruits and vegetables which are red in color, like strawberries, cherries, watermelons, tomatoes, and whatever you can find. All things in red color. Every day in your food habits, you have to include this red color fruit to activate your root chakra. Oh friends, you are getting some clarity and how to activate your root chakra. All these are very, very important tips I am telling you, and believe me, all this thing you will do, it will help to activate your root chakra at the fastest. Because I have personally experienced this, and I have experienced on my clients also, on my other people also, and they have benefited a lot. And other things also I suggest apart from this, but everything is not possible to tell on this video, because looking at your individual chart and individual cards, I can suggest what extra thing you need to do, because there are many other ways also to activate your root chakra at the fastest. How will you know that your root chakra is balanced? Now friends, I will discuss about that. How you will come to know. Now you are able to fulfill your basic necessities like food, shelter and clothing. You can get the finances are stable now. You are able to manage your day-to-day activities without depending on others, on your own. got me? On your own you are able to manage your financial things, and your income have increased. If suppose you were working already, your income was very low, but now your income has increased and your financial growth is happening, then you can say that your root chakra is balanced now. You have a stability in life, and you feel courageous, and you feel that you can do anything in life. You feel you can do anything in life. You feel safe and secure always, and you know you can achieve your goals, and you know that you can achieve your goals very well. You have motivation to work, and you have motivation to achieve your goals. You have clear thoughts, and you feel like mixing up with people in social gatherings. All these symptoms will tell you that now your root chakra is balanced. Hope friends you got some idea whatever I've told you today, that how you'll come to know that how your root chakra is balanced and how your root chakra is not balanced, and what all things you should do. Hope it was very helpful. Then please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.